Okay, I'm gonna go with a minute to win it, I guess. No.
2 minutes.
How about 1 minute to make us my funny faces that I've done for a while. So, here we go. Within 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and wait. Now.
No.
Check my finger. Hey, my tongue's bleeding. Yeah, yummy, yeah, yummy, yummy, yeah, yummy, 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 yummy. My balls over here. My fingers are crippled. Oh, and yeah, get out of my camera. Oh, okay. Hey, 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 hey. My balls are. I'm done.
You should have said my dad. You should have said my dad's Chinese, my mom is Japanese.
Well,
they did.
Well, this is what has my video right there. So I guess I will upload my next video within a week or so. So, thanks for watching. Please like or dislike if you want. Bye.
Are you done?